Hey guys, what's up? We're gonna be doing a Reddit video today, looking at PewDiePie submissions. So, I'll tell you when I see a good meme. When you realize the only reason Pew doesn't have legs is that G Fuel needed something to use for the PewDiePie flavor. Why isn't it loading? Huh? What? Oh my gosh. Look, has blue eyes and blonde hair, plays tambourine, has sister, worked at hot dog stand. He is PewDiePie. Oh, what? No, that's pretty cool. Captain Mars, yeah, it's like Captain Marvel, I think, yeah. Didn't Marvel, was this their first superhero? Or they name it after the company? I don't know. Yeah. Literally, is this Swedish? Yeah. You guys have to watch his videos to understand these, so hopefully you. Yeah, artist, Reddit, artist, fan art. I don't know what, yeah. Reddit, remember this kid? Oh, isn't that, Josh Peck in real life? Yeah, this is him now. Yeah. He does videos with David Dobrik. Okay. What else we got? Crap. I'm stuck. Okay. Happy honeymoon, Miss Shelberg. Happy honeymoon, Mr. and Mrs. Shelberg. Oh, that's us. So that means the honeymoon vlog Felix stole PewDiePie's wife and went to. No. No! PewDiePie, I think I found your perfect mouse pad for your wrist. Jeez. It's my cake day. Boo, get to bed material. Only shorting my new will. Get this. Mods are gay. Sub to PewDiePie. Floor gang. Floating out. I'm the hardest mob to kill. No, I am. Amateurs. Oh, yeah. Well, that's because, it's so sad to kill it. Shibe, no, who better to? These are PewDiePie nursery rhymes. No, we have competition. I know I only have 31 karma. I don't go on Reddit too often. Not gonna lie, the dead people will be spitting facts. How do we know if they're just actually dead or just pretending? Coco Melon good. No, no. Man driving stolen car crashes into woman drunk. Oh, that's how you get the karma, right? Huh? That's true Reddit karma. Exactly today, a year ago, I made this account just to join the subreddit. I drew this last year, but I haven't posted it here yet. That's cool. Council of Water Sheep. Arrested Arizona penis man claims there are more penis men. I'm the longest living meme. No, I am. Did someone say something? Oh. When you invert your phone colors and invert colors on. Yeah. She has better camera quality than him. Why are you blaming him? Right. Swedish YouTuber has gained millions of subscribers by uploading frequent commentary about what? Cooking, yeah. When you try to press the up button, but you click the image instead. For that, I give it big pee. Yes. PewDiePie should make a weekly cooking series and call it Swedish Wednesdays. Me down lots of VPN. The hot singles in my area are running to Algeria. I missed that fog he had. Forgot his name. Crap, what was his name? Skippy? Huh? I love honey, but do you know what I don't love? People who send death threats to actors, actresses. Okay. Temple of Men. Wall of Men's Truth. Stop trying to get views to watch your favorite. Yes. Babe, come over. I can't right now. I'm experiencing an ethical dilemma. My entire family isn't home. I know. Oh, that's horrible. Am I the only one who sees this? Oh my gosh. But they oh, no. Any normal person. So what did the situation with Felix though? World, is it Felix or PewDiePie? I thought Felix was a bad guy. Rabbit from Terraria, Dark Souls Sonatica, welcome to heaven. To enter, you must be forgiven by everyone you killed. Well, I never killed anyone, so video games included. Oh no. They were all like father to him. Yeah, what happened to his wrist? Not here. I hate the people that say this. Like the art kids that say they're like good at art when they freaking made this. That's insane. So I'm gonna download that because that's. Listen, people arrested for public masturbation. This was his income. Okay. 7-year-old me after eating tomato from the plant I grew in the garden a few months ago. Khalil the farmer. Marzia knows a lot of Italian recipes, doesn't want to be on camera, so we should get Marzia to tell Felix how to cook an Italian recipe and see how well he does on a scale of 0 being Swedish to 10 being Italian. I don't like that meme template. It's just, I want him to review it so it dies already. How this sub is treating Sive, how it used to treat Brad. I don't like Brad. No. My kick day is in 11 days, and I have no meme. I have this to post. I posted before my cake day. People call it cake day instead of birthday in other places. Because, I don't know. They're the same picture. They're literally the same picture. Let me see the comments on this. They're all going to say the same picture, right? Oh, crap, my email. Is this a garden of words? Funny thing, I was on a desktop scrolling through this Reddit. I was looking at the Reddit page, started shaking, and I thought that this was a gift of an earthquake because Japan has some renowned for its earthquakes. And I was laughing, and I realized that the Reddit just bugged, and I realized that it wasn't some joke you were making. So bummed out, but now I'm sharing it with you. Maybe check all that. Nope. Okay. Then I asked, I did That's, big brain time. Yes! He should make another song. Oscars can't build churches. God, and the dinosaurs are gone. Let's see that big game. Oh, that'd be okay. I kind of like him by himself more than cooking with Gordon Ramsay. Are you really making a first-person meme? Yes. Petition to Pew's hosted on the green screen account. Yes. It's been a while. Been a minute. Who are you? Sorry, wrong. Jeez. Pillow with gap for your arm. Vest. Everyone needs one of those. Repost because lost and new. Or debt? All money. That was a good video. You don't take care of me. You don't feed me. Last night I went out and got you what you wanted. So that's something you should be proud of. Everyone in this room is now dumber for having listened to it. Are you winning, Tom? Punk, son? I'm punk, so I must rebel. I'm Aiden, so I must like maths. I dye my hair, carry colors, so I must be looking for attention. Looking for attention. I am son, so I must be winning. Dear Pews, I think my eyes are too long. Oh my gosh. I miss Maya. We need to see more Maya. I think Maya's like Marzia's dog and Edgar's is PewDiePie's. I saw this. I think. That's insane. Why do you say I know it's bad, but it took a long time to make? Downvolt. It's insane. Your stupid glasses don't make you cool. Those. Okay, let's do a few more. PewDiePie should do a Swedish pie recipe because it's in his name. Okay, so I think I'm gonna end it on that. One sec. After this, using Drake format, using Doggo because he's cute. One sec. So go to PewDiePie store, buy some merch. Yeah. See you next video. What the?